Welcome to the Handyman Does All. Today I got a 2014 Ford Escape 2-liter EcoBoost. My daughter's complaining that every time she fills it up with gas, it doesn't start. It also is throwing an engine code 1450. I had her take it to the AutoZone or whatever place that's near her where she is. And it says evap, vacuum, something, I don't know, computerized nonsense. Thank engineers. And go back to the Industrial Revolution and blame those guys. Anyway, I checked that out and found out what it is. And replacing it looks like it's going to be fun, and I'll show you what I mean. Much like most modern cars, when you open up the hood, they make it kind of easy to put the windshield wiper fluid in and check the oil, and that's it. Everything else under here is covered with plastic. The battery, if you ever want to change that, which I've done, is way underneath there. You can't even see it. It's ridiculous. Basically, this is what needs to be replaced. So it's in here somewhere. It's got a bunch of, I don't know where. I think this might be one of the things I need to unplug. So I'm hopeful if I can find one end, wherever it might be, I might be able to actually trace the rest of it. So I'm going to start taking covers off, and that's, I guess, our first step. At least I can see whether I can reach anything. I don't know. Hey, success! I got the cover off. I only broke one of the 4 tabs that hold that thing on. So good start. All right, now the good news is this this thing right here with this T looks awfully suspicious, like this one with the T. So I'm just gonna go and say, well, that goes underneath there, so I'm gonna have to take the air thing off, and then parts go way down under here, so that looks exciting. So I'm gonna start fumbling around. Since I'm here alone, it's gonna be very hard for me to film any of this, and like I said, if you're looking for me to teach you something, get another teacher. I'm just here for, maybe throw a joke in here or there and, get you out there to spur you on to do your own things. Don't always pay, who knows how much this would cost at the dealer, probably $300. And I think I'm $85 into the part right now. Well, this is the first one that I'm trying to get. There is a, oh geez, I don't even know. They don't have just my iPhone here. This, that little thing with the green on it is what has to come off. Now I'm sitting here trying to get my, bear claws in here. Oh, now I want donuts. I can get to it. I just don't know exactly how to release this clip, and or can I actually do it with half a finger. So best thing that I was thinking is go look at the new one and say, well, how the hell does this clip come apart? And it looks like it's just got a little wee, squeezy, squeezy. Oh boy, squeezy, squeezy, and it just is gonna pop off. So now I just have to figure out where the squeezy, squeezy is under there, and probably get a long pair of pliers or something, since I can't do it with my fingers. Well, things have escalated. I've got the air box partially torn out. Can't really figure out how to get that little sensor off, so we'll leave that. It's out of the way. That's the actual part that's bad, by the way. It's that thing, so we're gonna replace that. But anyway, I said, well, I need to get under there. That's blocking my light and some other things. I'll just pull this cowl off. So remove the 2 windshield wipers and then pull this off, and surprise, Ford, well done. Hey, let's put a piece of plastic over a piece of plastic. So I'm assuming that this cowl comes off somehow. Although now I got to disconnect the brake master cylinder. This looks like, oh boy, escalations. Okay, situation report. I have found all the connections. There's one in here that I can't reach or disconnect. There is one way down there. That little green thing is another one that I can see. I can't really reach or disconnect. And then you've got the actual thing that's bad right there, which then goes around the back of the engine here to that thing with the purple dot on it, which I also can't reach or get off because I don't know how that little green clip stays on there. So good news, found all the stuff. Bad news, no closer to taking it apart, other than I've had to disconnect this thing and the airbox and the brake thing and the windshield wipers. So until I have the front end of the car apart, I'm gonna see if there's anything else under here I might as well do while I'm doing it. But okay, back to trying. Slight progress being made. Fortunately, I see another one of these clips right here on the some sort of intake, whatchamacallit. I don't know. I'm not an expert. Basically, what you got to do is you got to take these green clips and push them down. Whoops, that's a little too far down. And then you can push on this little thing down, and then the thing just pops off. Now, I only have one hand, but that is how I got this piece off. Come on. Can I do it with one hand? Nope. 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 There, magic gets off after I use two hands. So now I'm just gonna have to go and weasel my way back there and see if I can't get these clips off all around. Status update. I have gotten, let's see, 1, 2, I don't know how many. Working on the one down here, and then the one with the green clip way down there. I might jack the car up and see if I can get to it from underneath. Probably not, but we might as well give it a try. And let's see. I don't know what else is going on here, other than there appears to have been something connected. Well, that might just be me from laying on top of the engine, but something was connected to that, and I don't remember disconnecting anything, so that'll be fun in a little bit. Potential hack for you. This, which is the actual bad part, has a rubber isolator. I just cut it and pulled it off of the bracket down there. The new one comes with a bracket, and I figured, hey, let's just take it off the new bracket and keep using it and just slide it onto the old one. Easy peasy. Situation report. I am on the ground. I was going to jack the car up to see if I can crawl under there and get to that thing, but I forgot. This one has all kinds of skid plates, and it's not going to be conducive to crawling under there and getting that piece out. I think all this crap is here because of the turbo. It sucks air into the intercooler. Well, stymied. Gonna have to try to do it topside. Oh boy. Situation report. Good news and bad news. Good news. I have successfully removed the old octopus. The bad news is this fitting that was way down here, which was way down there, had a problem. Yeah, this was stuck in there, and it's like, oh, it came free. Oh no, it didn't. It broke off in the pipe. Way down there is broken. So good news. We just extended Arts and Crafts times by 3 hours today. Well, I've got it all put back together. At least it looks like it is. No idea if it's going to work or not. I'm going to go get the keys and give it a try. Get all my parts replaced. Got all the cowlings. Everything's put back together. Probably could have cleaned up whatever all this stuff is. But, well, going to crank the key and hope it starts. So good news. Don't know what the name of those parts were or what I broke, or all I know it cost me is an extra $100. So I think I was into it about $185. But the code, I got cleared out. It's gone. You can fill it up with gas. It starts every time. So job done. Probably on the scale of do it yourself to pay to get it done, I would go with pay to get it done. Even if I didn't break that one piece, it was very difficult. Lots of pieces and parts you had to take off, and then the clips, and getting your hands in all the little spots. So thanks very much for watching. You're on the YouTube. Hit the buttons and the bells and the whatevers. You know what to do. See you next time.